weather now.
Again.
Rocking out in front was 35, so he's down to 27. Karen 28.
That's why, dude's off the track.
Four again. Oh, it's been a horrible race.
That was me for me. Phew! What happened to me?
Wow, I don't know, but look at my freaking
Daggum.
psycho fucking
Hey! Bleep!
freaking rocket out. That's what my new graphics, me looking out the window does.
Bleep!
Rocket 44 in the red.
I had 40.
Karen 35.
Dewey
Dewey
33.
33. That was the
Says
final
who's
heat.
going to win this one?
Okay,
Who is it?
Who is it? It's close.
Drum roll.
Cha-ching.
It's Karen. Daisy
Karen,
with
followed by the-
160. Oh, look, Dewey comes in last place for the
Last
first time in
place.
open class, I believe.
No kidding. That don't happen often. I don't think it's ever happened.
Not in open
Well,
class.
maybe I think you blew up one time.
Yeah, so the time you blew up your car.
Oh, so like, hurry up and add those up. So we can let,
Okay, Karen.
let everybody know who won.
Rocket, start adding. Rocket with 150, is that right? Yeah.
Let's see. What she got? 73.99.
And 138.
116 plus 160.
Yes.
448 for Daisy. Overall score.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm adding wrong. Getting the totals here. Here's what the computer shows. Oh, you ain't gonna be able to see that.
Get out
Sorry.
of his way, dude.
Come on, man.
444 for the Rocket. Got me by 4 laps. I think Dewey's the one in last place.
Yeah, it's looking that way. I had a bad day.
So you had a bad day.
Yeah, we total each heat
440 for
down
Dewey.
through there. Karen Daisy
440
wins a
times
trophy. Whoa,
Okay.
the gold cup. There it
For
is.
the day.
All right, you go, Daisy.
3.3.
Take my
Congrats all around, Hubie Brown.
I'd like to thank my mechanic, Dewey.
That'd be me.
Does a great job. Keeping my
All the
cars
fans in the bleachers.
tuned.
Wait, they're all empty.
Yeah, the fans have already
Yeah,
left.
COVID. We got it on film though. See the camera crew. They probably got
you
masks
can show
on.
the traffic jam at the other end of the track.
So there you go.
People leaving.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching.
Peace out.
Been fun.
Hang
Last
on.
race of the year.
Probably see you
Hold
next
on.
after New Year's.